little update here on the Tahoe build. I got some subwoofer terminal plates. They're used, a little nicked up, but they'll be okay. Yeah, so those will mount right in real nicely. I got 3 of those, and then I got a solid mechanix 6-spot fuse block, and then I also got 3 Stinger voltmeters. I got some customz 6-spot battery terminals for the front. Very nice. And then I got some bus bars for my back batteries. And these are 7, 7, and 5. So yeah, there's lots of spots for my new wire to go. So, yep. And I'll keep updating you guys as build progress goes on and as I get more stuff for it. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to have this thing built up and playing. Getting closer.